how it is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to take a look at the Honda Civic EG by Hot Wheels Premium. Of course, this is a latest casting. I mean, the casting is old but the release is new right now. So yes, a really cool casting, latest one from the Modern Classic set. I have a ton of castings from the Modern Classic set, as you guys might be knowing, but this one is from the latest Modern Classic set. We have got a lot of cars in this set. I want this one, the Toyota Altezza, and this one right here, the MX-5 Miata. So yes, real rider wheels. The packaging is actually looking quite cool. Car culture written right there. This is a premium, as you guys might be knowing. So let's get it out of the packaging itself, and it does look quite cool, as you guys can see. The finishing is awesome. I mean, yep, the details, amount of detailing on this one is quite cool, but the thing is that they added this kind of, I don't know what is this, but it looks like the car has got eyeballs, which looks quite weird. They should have put, I mean, if they should have made it realistic, or else they should have given plastic headlights, or else, but no, they just painted it. So yes, the overall detailing of this casting is actually quite cool. Spoon Sports livery, this is the reason why I bought it, because it had this really cool Spoon Sports livery. I really like this one. This is my favorite casting. So yes, we also got this Civic from the Modern Classic set back in the day in the Hello Kitty livery, but I didn't like that much, so I just bought this one. This one's looking quite cool. The overall detailing is actually quite nice, as I said. Spoon Sports written right here as well, and yes, this looks quite cool. I mean, Spoon Sports written on the windshield itself. We've also got the Honda logo right here, and the rear detailing is actually quite cool. I mean, I also have this car in the mainline version, but still it's not that as detailed as this much, even though it is detailed on the back. But I've only added the paint to the tail lights and the blinkers. It was not painted, it was just white. So yes, this is the drag version of the Civic, but still I like this one. We've got 1 2 3 4 5 6 or 5 spokes real rider wheels. I don't know how much spoke they are, but they look quite cool. We also got this one, this wheels, no, only on this casting itself. Looks quite cool though. 95 written right there. Spoon Sports. Yes, the front detailing is actually quite cool. And moving to the chassis, Hot Wheels logo written right there. Honda Civic Cust EG GJR67. So yes, no differential on this car, as this is a front wheel drive car, so of course front wheel drive cars do not have differentials. The amount of detailing on the mainline and premium is almost the same, but I painted it in some grey color using Sharpie marker, so that's why it looks like that, but the detailing is just the same. Looks quite cool though. Rubber wheels, and this rolls also quite nice, as you guys can see right here. So yes, looks quite cool. I mean, this is my favorite casting till now. I'm saying it to you guys. I'm just going to buy some more Modern Classics if available. I really want that Altezza and that Miata, and if possible I will also buy this Corrado VR6. The paint job on this Volkswagen is really cool. This one is also quite cool, but I'm not a big fan of Fiats and all. So yes, let's get this thing loaded up. Looks quite cool on the trailer. We've got the van itself, and yes, it's looking quite cool, as you guys can see. So yes, what do you guys think about this casting? Make sure to tell me in the comments, and if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Till that time, thanks for watching.